Namaskar. So in this lecture, from this lecture we will start our third chapter, which is current electricity. So in this lecture let's have some introduction background about it. So as you know that when we are talking about current electricity, so we are talking about current. So current itself is associated with the motion of the charge, right? So till now what we have studied in our first chapter, second chapter about dielectrics or electrostatics, there we talked about only free charge or bound charges, but those charges were not in motion. We didn't study about the motion, charges in the motion, but here in this chapter what we are going to study about the current, which is we are going to deal with the motion of the charges, right? So you can imagine that even you see the lightning, right, in the sky. So it is also an example of that the charges are moving from cloud to earth. So this is also going to form a current, but this current is not a steady current, right? Here what we are going to study would be about the basic properties and principles of steady currents, and here it is not in steady current, which is sometimes very disastrous. But what we are going to study in this chapter is about steady current and their associated properties and laws. We'll cover about electric current, Ohm's law, resistor energy and power, resistance combination of series and parallel forces, potentiometer, Wheatstone bridge. So these all things will cover it, which is the part of that charges in the motion and utilizing the concept of current. So let's start this chapter, and you can watch it from our next video. So see you there. Thank you.